Welcome to RS Group of Schools for online classes. This is Naresh Verma, your English teacher. Today we will continue the topic voice. Yesterday we studied the voice of present indefinite tense. Today we will study the voice of present continuous tense. Yesterday we also discussed the rules for using helping verb in the case of passive voice. So according to the rule, in present continuous tense, we will add being, B-E-I-N-G, being with the helping verb of present continuous tense while changing into passive voice. Okay, so these are the examples. I am teaching English. This is the sentence of present continuous tense in active voice. So object is English. So English, according to English, here will be is being. We have added here being. English is being taught by, and the object of I is me. So next example is he is not reading the novel. This sentence is negative, so passive voice will also be negative. The novel is not being read by him. Next is, are you not washing clothes? This is interrogative sentence starting with helping verb. If active voice starts with helping verb, your passive voice will also start with helping verb. Are you not washing clothes का होगा are, object will be clothes. Are clothes not being washed by, object of you is you. Okay, and next will, why is he not helping me? Okay, so answer will be why, because if question word is there in active voice in the beginning of the sentence, in passive voice also the sentence will start with question word, same question word. Okay, why, and here helping verb will be used according to the subject of passive voice, and subject of passive voice is going to be according to the object of active voice. Object is me, so subject will be I, and according to I here will be am. Okay, so why am I not being helped by, and object is her according to she. Okay, next is the voice of present perfect tense. The helping verb of present perfect tense is has and have, and for making passive voice of present perfect tense, we have to add here been with the helping verb of present perfect tense. So he has written a letter. This is the sentence of present perfect tense. So object is a letter. A letter has been. We have added here been. Okay, a letter has been written by, object of he will be him. Next is, you have not bought the book. Negative sentence. So the object is the book. The book has not been bought by you. Object of you is you. Okay. Next is interrogative. Have they not called him? So according to him will be subject will be he. So according to him will be has. Okay. Has he not been called by them? Them is the object of they. Next is, why has she not taken the money? So why, question word will be here, the same question word in the passive sentence, why, and has the money not been, sorry, been should be there, been taken by her. Thank you.